Rolls-Royce Holdings has received a significant boost with the UK government awarding it a £9 billion, that's $11 billion roughly, contract for the design and manufacture of nuclear reactors to power the UK's submarine fleet. This long-term contract, named Unity, reinforces the Labour government's commitment to national security and Britain's nuclear deterrent, and it also addresses some of the calls to increase defence spending to 2.5% of GDP from the current 2.3%. This contract is set to create over 1,000 new jobs and sustain 4,000 existing ones, particularly at Rolls-Royce's submarine plant in Derby. It's expanding to meet this growing demand from the Royal Navy and the Australian, UK, US defence partnership. So this is an important contract for Rolls-Royce, and also it comes at a time when Rolls-Royce has a good seasonal bias to the upside. You can see an annualized return from the 2nd of Feb to the 8th of March of over 173%, average return just under 10%, and a 70% winning trade percentage. So will this announcement of the new contract support Rolls-Royce Holdings higher? And also, if you notice at this long-term uptrend, you can just see there's a big trend line just around this 570 region and big support at that 500 level with the 100 exponential moving averages. So will this new contract support Rolls-Royce and their seasonal bias? Don't forget, you can sign up here for literally thousands more seasonal insights just waiting to be revealed. Don't just trade it, season exit. All outlooks have risks, and this is no exception. The main trade risks here, as geopolitical tensions and policy changes, can impact defence spending and sentiment around Rolls-Royce's contracts.